The EmptyLine function is responsible to verify that the line is not empty, the journal line that you would like to post. And the EmptyLine function can typically be found in the definition or description of the journal line table. So if we have a look here at an example, we have the resource journal line table. I have fields in here, I have keys in here, and so on, and triggers. But one of the functions that we will see in here is the EmptyLine function. Now the EmptyLine function, as you can see in its definition, will return a boolean, true or false. It will return true if the line is empty, and it will return false if the line is not empty. Now if we have a look at the code, the function is executing an exit statement, and we will exit true or false, depending if the resource number and the quantity are 0 or empty, yes or no. So this is the situation, the condition in which we consider the resource ledger, the resource journal line to be empty, yes or no. The resource number and quantity 0. Now you can have a look in this table at all of the available fields. There are many fields in here, but we consider the journal line to be empty if, in this case, the resource number and quantity are 0, because these are the important fields for posting. This is an EmptyLine function, and this EmptyLine function is sometimes called in different code units. The checkline code unit will do this, the postline code unit will also do that. Let's also have a look at those code units. So if we open our checkline code unit again, and if we scroll down to have a look at the code, the actual checking is performed in the runCheck function, and here with the resource journal line we call the EmptyLine function, and if that one returns true, then we exit. So in this case the EmptyLine function is called in the runCheck function of the checkline code units. Now if I also have a look at the postline code units, then we know that it's the code function that does the actual checking. But the very first thing we do in the code function is call the EmptyLine, then do exit, and then we call basically the checkline, and we do the same thing again. So the EmptyLine function on the journal line table is called a lot to verify if the line is empty, yes or no.